Why does this not work? ls. Text, xargs cat is greater than all.txt, all files into single text document. Why does this not work? I want to join the contents of all text files into a single all.txt file. Find with exec should also work, but I would really like to understand the xargs syntax. Thanks.
ls.text, xargs cat and gt semicolon and gt, all.txt. Might work a bit better, since it would append to all.txt instead of creating it again after each file. By the way, cat.txt and gt, all.txt, would also work. Smile?
If some of your file names contain comma or space, xargs will fail because of the separator problem. In general, never run xargs without -0 as it will come back and bite you someday. Consider using new parallel instead. Or if you prefer, learn more about new parallel this URL.
All.txt is a file in the same directory, so cat gets confused when it wants to write from the same file to the same file. On the other hand, this will read from text files in your current directory into the all.txt in a subdirectory, not included with .txt.
You could also come across a command line length limitation. Part of the reason for using xargs is that it splits up the input into safe command line sized chunks. So, imagine a situation in which you have hundreds of thousands of text files in the directory. ls.text will fail. You would need to do .txts, in this case, is a regular expression matching everything that ends in text, so it's not exactly like .text, since if you have a file called atxt, then .text would not match it, but the regular expression would. The use of another path is because, as other answers have pointed out, all.txt is matched by the pattern .text, so there would be a conflict between input and output. Note that if you have any files within their names, and this may be the cause of the unmatched single quote error, you would want to do the null option tells grep to use output separated by a \0, aka null, character instead of the default new line, and the -0 option to xargs tells it to expect its input in the same format. This would work even if you had file names with new lines in them.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.